There's a brand new viral niche quietly blowing up on TikTok, and almost nobody is taking advantage of it on YouTube Shorts yet, which means this is a rare opportunity to get in early. I'm talking about a TikTok page that was created just a few months ago, already sitting at over 50,000 followers and pulling in millions of views on almost every single video. And the craziest part? The videos are insanely addictive. The concept is this: a guy on a speedboat racing across the open sea, chasing down drifting shipping containers. He pulls up, cracks one open, and inside is something unbelievable. Luxury supercars, solid gold bars, private helicopters, ultra-expensive watches, hidden like a forgotten treasure. Viewers can't skip, they can't scroll away, because they have to see what's inside the container. The suspense alone forces full watch time, which is exactly why the algorithm is pushing these videos so hard. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to create these viral shipping container videos using completely free AI tools. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because skipping even one step can break the entire formula. Let's be honest, getting views on YouTube can feel incredibly slow, especially in the beginning. You upload a video, refresh the analytics, and nothing happens. Maybe it barely reaches 100 views. This can be frustrating. You spend hours planning, creating, editing, and uploading, yet it feels like the algorithm doesn't even notice your effort. But here's something important to understand. It's not your fault. Every single day, millions of videos are uploaded to YouTube. With that level of competition, even high-quality content can get buried if the algorithm doesn't clearly understand who to show it to. That's why optimization matters. And that's exactly where vidIQ comes in. vidIQ is one of the most effective tools for YouTube SEO, helping the algorithm understand your content so it can actually recommend your videos to the right audience. To get started, open vidIQ using the link in the description and sign up. It only costs $1 to begin. After logging in, connect your YouTube channel so vidIQ can properly analyze your videos and channel data. Once inside the dashboard, click on Optimize, and you'll see a list of all your uploaded videos. Choose any video and click Generate Score. vidIQ will instantly evaluate your title and thumbnail. For example, my title scored 98, which is strong, while my thumbnail scored 58. Good, but with room for improvement. These scores clearly show what's holding your video back and what needs fixing. When you open the video, you'll see detailed insights on how to improve it. Focus on the details section, where your description and tags are. For the description, click Generate, and vidIQ will create multiple SEO-optimized description options designed to improve discoverability and help YouTube push your video further. Go through them and click on the one you prefer, then click Apply. For tags, vidIQ recommends high-ranking keywords related to your content. Select the best ones, click on Apply Changes, and your video becomes fully optimized for search and suggested traffic. Once that's done, your video is no longer invisible. It's positioned to be discovered, recommended, and scaled by the algorithm. Now that optimization is handled, let's move on and start creating our viral video. The very first step to creating these viral shipping container videos is deciding what luxury item will be discovered inside the container. To make this step easy and beginner-friendly, I've created a ready-to-use Google Doc specifically for this niche. Inside, you'll find proven luxury item prompts and fully structured scene prompts designed to help you generate cinematic shipping container videos using AI. You'll find the link to this Google Doc in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And if you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit the like button. It tells the YouTube algorithm that this content is valuable and helps it reach more creators who want to grow faster using AI-powered content strategies. Now let's jump right back into the tutorial. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the topic prompts. Once you've copied the prompt, open your preferred AI writing tool. For this tutorial, I'm using ChatGPT, but the same process works with any similar AI tool. Paste the prompt directly into the chat box, then make one small but important adjustment. Specify how many luxury items you want the AI to generate. This gives you more creative options and helps you find the most eye-catching reveal for your video. After that, simply hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a curated list of high-end luxury items that are perfect for this niche. If none of the options feel expensive or dramatic enough, that's completely fine. Just ask ChatGPT to generate more ideas, and it will instantly give you a fresh set of new luxury items to choose from. Take a moment to review the results carefully, then select the luxury item that creates the most curiosity and suspense for your video. The next step is creating highly detailed scene prompts, which we'll use to generate the AI image scenes for your shipping container video. These scene prompts are what control the pacing, suspense, and visual storytelling that keeps viewers watching until the final luxury reveal. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the full scene prompt template provided there. Once you've copied it, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt directly into the chat box. From here, you'll make a few quick but important adjustments. First, enter the number of scene prompts you want the AI to generate. This determines how long your video will be and how many stages it takes to build suspense before revealing the luxury item inside the shipping container. Next, enter the number of the luxury item you selected earlier, so the visuals stay consistent from start to finish. After that, simply hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete, ready-to-use set of cinematic scene prompts, broken down stage by stage. These prompts are designed specifically for generating the exact visuals you need to create viral shipping container videos that look cinematic, feel high stakes, and keep viewers glued until the final reveal. Now it's time to generate the actual visual scenes for your video, and for this step we'll be using Google ImageFX. Start by heading over to Google ImageFX and logging in with your Gmail account. Once you're inside, click on Settings and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. This is extremely important because 9:16 is the ideal format for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene prompt that was generated earlier. Return to ImageFX, paste the prompt into the input box, and click Generate. Within seconds, the AI will create high-quality, cinematic, and realistic images based exactly on your prompt. You'll see multiple image results. Take your time to review each option carefully. Choose the one that best fits the scene and download it to your device. After that, simply repeat this exact process for all remaining scene prompts until you have a complete set of visuals ready to bring your shipping container video to life. The next step is to animate your images into video clips, and for this, we'll be using Kling AI. Start by heading over to Kling AI and creating an account. Once you're logged in, click on AI Video, which will take you to the animation interface. From there, upload the first image you generated in the previous step. Next, we need an animation prompt to guide the movement. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the exact same scene prompt you used to generate that image. Using the same prompt ensures visual consistency and more accurate motion. Head back to Kling AI and paste the prompt into the animation prompt box. After that, make sure the audio option is turned on because this adds natural ambient sounds like ocean waves and movement, which makes the animation feel more immersive and realistic. For the settings, choose the mode you prefer, standard for faster results or professional for higher quality motion. Then select your video duration, either 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on how long you want each scene to last. Once everything is set, click Generate. Within a few minutes, your image will be transformed into a smooth animated video clip. Preview the result. As you can see, it looks so natural and cinematic. Then download the video to your device. Finally, repeat this exact process for the rest of your images until all your scenes are fully animated and ready to be edited together. The final step is to bring everything together with editing, and for this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and clicking on New Project, then import all the video clips you generated earlier, making sure to arrange them in the correct order. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and other vertical platforms. Next, if your clips have watermarks or logos, you can remove them by stretching each clip slightly until the watermark disappears. Repeat this for all clips to keep everything clean and professional. Now it's time to add transitions to make your scenes flow seamlessly. Click on Overlay Transitions, browse the available options, choose the style you like, and then click Apply to All so every scene transitions smoothly into the next. After that, import your background music, making sure to trim any sections that exceed your video length so the audio matches perfectly. Once that's done, watch your video from start to finish to ensure everything looks. When you're satisfied with the final edit, click Export. Increase the resolution to 4K for the highest quality, and download the completed video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions.